Why is AI all over YouTube? Whether it's animated stories, rhymes for kids, informative videos, or even podcasts. Now, everywhere I look, AI is making the videos, and creators are making the money? How is this happening? How are people making thousands, even millions, without ever touching a camera? So, it's easier than you think. Stickman's here for you. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create your script. Use free AI chatbots like ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Just type in your topic, and boom, AI generates a full script in seconds. Step 2. Make a voiceover. No mic? No problem. Tools like 11 Labs or Murph.ai creates human-like voices for you. Best part, they offer free trials. Step 3. Create your video. Use AI video tools like Minimax.ai or Leonardo.ai for animations. And yes, they give free points too. And now, just a little editing, and boom, your video is ready. You can do this too. Make money on YouTube using AI. No need for a camera. No need for expensive software. No need for hours of editing. It's that simple. AI does the work. You collect the views and the money. But wait, Stickman is worried. If AI can create endless videos, won't YouTube be flooded with the same content? Will originality die? Or will AI just become a tool that helps creators, not replace them? Some say AI is killing creativity, but others say it's unlocking new creative possibilities. So, what do you think? Comment down your opinion. Stickman would love to know. I know you've loved hanging out with the Stickman. But poor Stickman misses his stickwoman. Ha ha ha. He gotta go. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and catch Stickman in the next video.